and it has been a very, how do you say, uh, a roller coaster of a journey, is how I would put it as. With starting as freelancers, then moving on to moving on to doing smaller interior projects. Now moving on to doing having three major verticals. One being our architectural itself, where we do various residential projects as well as commercial buildings across India, and the second one being corporate interiors, and third being factory fitted homes. These are three of our major verticals that Essence Studio focuses on. Throw designs, you can say. A lot of people even call me a design factory. Like, you tell me something and I'm ready with options immediately. That's how it has always been for me. My mind works very fast. If I don't let it do, then I'll be probably found sleeping somewhere. That's about me.
Welcome to Rob Talks, and it's amazing to see you and such a wonderful person on the show. It's a delight and honor to host you on this show. So, uh, tell us about your journey so far.
Myself, architect Meghna Shetty. I have been an architect now for 15 years. And Essence Studio started somewhere in 2008. We've come a long way. It's been about 12 odd years that this firm has now been into existence. So speaking about how I became an architect is quite an interesting journey on itself. I decided to be an architect because I did not want to study. I didn't want to become an engineer or a doctor. But becoming an architect was definitely a life-changing decision for me. During college, there were a lot of working opportunities that I got. Fortunately, I was a part of a larger group in the college, which were already passed out. And since college years, I have been part of working in the college studio and parallelly also working with my seniors on their projects. So while I was finishing my studies, I knew that what was actually happening outside as well. How drawings were made, how spaces were converted into actual forms from drawings, meeting contractors, so on and so forth. So I was kind of becoming already industry ready being in college. I mean, most of the people don't get that kind of an opportunity. And in those 5 years, I continued working on many design competitions alongside the college assignments. A few of which I even won. So you could say that I've been very lucky on that. Later, I had joined for an internship with architect Samira Rathod for about 3 months or so. And that was a time that I realized that probably what I loved is more of pace. So I definitely always thrive to do more projects. So later on, I joined architect Sanjay Puri. Having joined him, having joined him gave my work a different dimension, I could say. What was a craze in college of doing so many multiple projects at a time now became reality. Creating good architecture and seeing it come to life had now become a reality. It was great time. I have to mention it was simply great time out there. I can't be less obliged to architect Sanjay Puri for having me in his team. And though I was a fresher, giving me a full-fledged free hand to do whatever I wanted. That was very rare of him, at least way back in 2003 and 2004 kind of a period. Now he's much relaxed and stuff like that. I was with architect Sanjay Puri for about 5 years, spanning from 2003 to 2007. Trust me, each day was like taking a dip in the vast ocean of limitless possibilities. This is what it was, how I would put having worked with architect Sanjay Puri. I mean, there has been a variety of projects that I did with him, which spanned over doing single bungalows, residential complexes, malls, multiplexes, hotels, so on and so forth. I mean, the list is just simply endless. I started my journey with architect Suresh Mistry. While obviously when we were working with Sanjay sir as well, I still remember doing a few of our projects parallel while being employed. And those sites used to start at like 8 p.m. in the night and 8 or 9, I think. And then they used to go on all night. And I can't be less thankful to all of those contractors and all of those laborers who supported us so much. and made those projects actually happen. Well, I must say that those are the projects which actually won us a lot of awards as well. They did not only win awards, they went international. We got many international coverage at that point in time. I'm talking about somewhere around 2007, 2008, and time like that. So that was the beginning of SN Studio. So the beginning of SN Studio was with a lot of awards and a lot of recognition and a lot of publications. To the matter of fact, we even won the best young interior design practice in 2008. So that was actually the first year of our inception. So who gets to do that? पैसे तो ज़्यादा नहीं थे वो time पे, but then this definitely was the biggest morale booster for us. So we couldn't, have imagined more than this to happen at a point where you're just starting and you're still struggling. So we did some really, really good projects, and that is where we started off with. I still remember doing my first project that was with Procter & Gamble, where it was a night job. I was the only woman with 50 laborers out there at night. The shift used to start at 6 p.m. and used to end at like 6 a.m. in the morning. It was approximately a 2 CR project. We did it well, and we moved much further from there. The good thing that I can say that has always been with us is apart from design, wherever we have kind of committed a cost, we've always been able to finish those jobs at say 10% lesser than that cost, than ever overshooting those. So that has always been a plus point for us. Now, while having said how we started, I must definitely mention that all of these projects, at least the initial ones till say 2010, 12 or so, it has always been more of a two-membered people where it's been me and architect Suresh Mistry who have put in everything in life to just get our firm moving. Definitely, we have had helping staff. There's no doubt about it. One or two on and off, which now today we've grown into a 15-member team. And I should not forget to mention that Mr. Mistry's family comes from a contracting background that helped us a lot. And his brother has been a very active member for doing all of our civil finishes and carpentry finishes. We have today a factory in Dahanu, which specially aids to all of our requirements. Our USP has always been execution alongside timely completion and chic-trendy interiors. This attitude of ours helped us bag and retain so many MNC clients who continue working with us now since about 10 to 12 years, being so far. In particular, the hardships, the time crunch, the site location, we always ensured that most of our sites were delivered as per promised. Generally, what happens is, our basic process has always been that, we get hired, we come up with a basic design that gets converted into 3D. Once the 3D is done, the budget is finalized. Based on the 3Ds and the budget, what gets executed on site is actually one-to-one same. They can actually be compared.
Why is it cost effective or economical to hire you versus do it yourself? So the mistakes that one can make by doing it on their own.
Coming to why you should hire an architect, it's a good question. A lot of people feel they could do the project themselves. We don't need an architect. I mean, मुझे सब कुछ पता है मुझे क्या चाहिए, तो architect आके क्या अलग करने वाला है? The fact is that yes, most of us know what we want, but it's like a surgeon never does surgery on his own self or probably in his own family. It's as simply said as that. When you're trying to do things for yourself, a lot of time there's a lot of confusion. You are not a professional, hence you would not know what the process of doing a certain thing. So in this whole confusion, it may happen that there is a very high possibility rather that you may end up doing retakes and you simply lose money doing that. A. B is when you have a decent scale project where we are talking about anything like a 3 BHK and above, an architect can get you better contractors on board. They can get you better vendors on board. more material options on board, because being in this industry for so long and constantly roaming around, constantly getting updated about what's happening in the market, in the industry, we definitely know what's trendy, what's in today, and this is how we could help you better. The fact is that we do a very varied kind of projects, which includes doing corporate interiors. I do corporate interiors ranging from the size to say about a 2,000 square feet to 2 lakh and above. This is the kind of projects that we've done. We work with the local guys as well as Indian brands and even MNCs. Coming to doing buildings, we do, like I did mention before, we do a lot of residential complexes. We are working pan-India on that. And we are also doing commercial buildings as well. Again, the same goes pan-India. The last vertical that I would like to speak about is that is where most people have this confusion. Why should I hire an architect? The other two guys, they know that they cannot do it themselves, and they definitely hire an architect, and I don't need to explain why you have to hire me. But when it comes to a residence, people definitely have that constant confusion as to why an architect, ye to main bhi kar sakta hu. So like I said initially, an architect, because she'll help you realize what you want better than what you have thought about. This is how I would like to put it. Well, thank you very much for having me on your show on Rope Talks. And to the audience, thank you for listening to me. If you have any queries, you know where to reach. Thank you again, guys. Hi, this is architect Meghna Shetty. I'm a co-founder in SM Studio.
Hi, this is Suresh. I'm a co-founder of SM Studio and I'm principal architect.
Hi, I'm Himani Patel. I'm working in SM Studio as an interior designer.
Hi, I'm Atika Khan. I'm an interior designer at SM Studio.
Hey, this is Jagriti Pinjani and I am interior designer at SM Studio.
Hi, I'm Rishita Daftari, an interior designer at SM Studio.
Hi, I'm Amir Sheikh. I'm an architect in SM Studio.
Hi, myself Kuresh Gandhi. I'm the part of SM Studio. It's been a great to work over here. I'm a designer and a 3D visualizer.
Done.
बस
फंटास्टिक हो गया, देखा?
ग्रेट, तो बहुत जल्दी हो गया. 2 घंटा मांगा था, 1 घंटे में ही हो गया.
Because you're smart, not me.
क्यों पहले सब सेटिंग वेटिंग करके रखा था इसके लिए? 1 घंटा उधर ही बच गया.
The thing is, you sent me the photos and everything, कैसा दिखने वाला है, क्या है, तो it just became so much easier.